Welcome back. I found some key differences that almost no one talks about. So watch to the end or you'll miss the most important part.
If accounting software pricing were a supermarket sale, KashFlow would be the one with the massive discount sticker that makes you pause and think, okay, what's the catch? So let's skip the suspense and start exactly where most decisions are made, the price. KashFlow positions itself as one of the lowest entry accounting platforms in the UK market. Its starter plan is priced at £1.25 per month for the first 6 months under a promotional offer, before reverting to the standard rate. This plan is clearly designed for sole traders, freelancers, and very small businesses that need basic accounting without commitment. At this level, you can create unlimited quotes, send up to 10 invoices, connect bank feeds, reconcile a limited number of transactions, submit VAT directly to HMRC, track expenses, record mileage, and access more than 50 built-in reports. You also get access to the KashFlow mobile app, making it easy to manage finances on the go. The trade-off is that it's limited to one user and includes caps on invoices and reconciliations, meaning it's best suited for businesses with very low monthly activity. As businesses grow, KashFlow pushes users toward the business plan, which starts at £2.55 per month for the first 6 months before increasing to the standard subscription price. This tier removes invoice and transaction limits, allows multiple users, supports multi-currency, enables recurring invoices, customer statements, receipt capture, and customer credit limits. It's aimed at limited companies and growing sole traders who want more flexibility without jumping into high monthly costs. Payroll, advanced reporting, and certain specialist features are available as paid add-ons, which keeps the base price attractive but can increase overall spend as needs expand. Now compare that with Pandle's pricing philosophy, which is almost the opposite. Pandle offers just 2 plans. The free plan costs exactly £0 and remains free forever, without time limits or forced upgrades. The Pro plan costs £5 per month plus VAT flat. No tiers, no scaling costs, no per user fees, and no feature restrictions hidden behind upgrades. From a budgeting perspective, this simplicity alone is a major selling point. Moving into features, KashFlow focuses on familiar, day-to-day accounting workflows. It supports invoicing, quotes, expense tracking, VAT management, bank reconciliation, mileage tracking, and cash flow visibility. The dashboard is customizable and designed to surface key numbers quickly without overwhelming users. Reports are practical rather than flashy, covering profit and loss, VAT summaries, customer balances, and basic performance insights. KashFlow is designed for business owners who want to get in, do the work, and move on, rather than spend time configuring complex systems. The strengths of KashFlow lie in its low introductory pricing, straightforward setup, and solid core accounting tools for small UK businesses. It can work well for sole traders and micro companies that want basic compliance and familiar workflows without paying premium fees. The drawbacks are that payroll and deeper automation require add-ons. Some limits still exist at lower tiers, and many businesses eventually outgrow the platform as transaction volume, team size, or reporting needs increase. Pandle approaches accounting with a very different mindset, prioritizing clarity, transparency, and removing friction from day one. Instead of scaling prices as features increase, Pandle focuses on giving small UK businesses exactly what they need without pushing them into upgrades they don't understand or use. From the moment you sign up, the platform feels intentionally simple, which is especially appealing to sole traders, freelancers, and micro businesses who don't want accounting to become intimidating or time-consuming. Even on the free plan, Pandle delivers a surprisingly complete bookkeeping experience. Users can create professional quotes and invoices, track income and expenses, manage customers and suppliers, generate essential financial reports, calculate VAT, and submit VAT returns directly to HMRC under Making Tax Digital. You can also create bank rules to automatically categorize transactions, helping reduce manual work over time. There are no limits on customers, suppliers, or accounts, which makes the free plan genuinely usable rather than a short trial designed to force an upgrade. When you move to Pandle Pro, priced at £5 per month plus VAT, automation becomes the main focus. Live bank feeds pull transactions in automatically, receipt uploads allow you to store proof of expenses, and recurring transactions help automate regular income and costs. Project tracking and cash flow forecasting give better visibility into where money is coming from and where it's going. Mileage tracking, stock control, PayPal and Stripe feeds, and multi-company management add flexibility for businesses with slightly more complexity. You also get premium invoice templates, multiple currencies, user permissions, bulk editing tools, transaction locking, detailed notes, and live chat support. Importantly, this is the highest plan. There's no next tier, no feature gating, and no surprise jump in pricing as your business grows. Pandle is fully compliant with Making Tax Digital and supports direct VAT submissions to HMRC, making it suitable for UK businesses that want to stay compliant without constantly worrying about rule changes. The setup process is quick, navigation is intuitive, and the language used throughout the platform avoids heavy accounting jargon. Most users can confidently manage their finances within minutes, even without prior accounting experience. The pros of Pandle are its affordability, simplicity, and transparency. At £0 for the free plan and £5 per month for Pro, it delivers outstanding value and predictable costs. There's virtually no learning curve, no pressure to upgrade, and no feeling that essential features are being held hostage behind higher pricing tiers. This makes Pandle particularly attractive to first-time business owners and freelancers who want control without confusion. The cons are mainly around depth and scalability. Pandle is not designed for businesses with complex reporting needs, large teams, or heavy reliance on third-party integrations. Advanced analytics, industry-specific workflows, and extensive app ecosystems are limited compared to larger platforms. That said, these limitations are intentional and align with Pandle's focus on simplicity rather than expansion. User feedback reinforces this positioning. On Trustpilot, KashFlow currently holds a rating of 1.1 out of 5 stars, based on over 100 reviews, with many users mentioning issues around support responsiveness and reliability. Pandle, in contrast, holds a strong Trustpilot rating of 4.6 stars, with users consistently praising ease of use, transparent pricing, and responsive customer support. As with any review platform, ratings can change over time, so it's always worth checking the latest Trustpilot listings for the most up-to-date feedback. The final takeaway is reassuringly positive. KashFlow may still appeal to very small businesses that value ultra-low introductory pricing and familiar workflows. Pandle stands out as a calm, affordable, and refreshingly honest accounting solution that covers what most small UK businesses actually need, without complexity or surprise costs. Click the link below to explore both platforms, review the plans, and see which one fits how you work. And if this comparison helped you make a clearer decision, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next breakdown.